Hello everyone, and welcome to this Mavin video on how to use our screen share function. So first off, you're going to want to make sure that you're in a map view of a map. In this map, we're looking at the streams and ditches in Boulder, so kind of like the greater Boulder area, Boulder County. And you can see in the bottom right of the screen that we have our green screen share button. So if you're not familiar with screen share is basically like a video chat / video call where your screens are shared. So you're both, whoever is on that map is working on the same screen at the same time in real time, and also has the ability to chat back and forth. So if I want to go ahead and click join or start screen share, I'm gonna all of a sudden be on a map at the same time as any of the other users on this map. And if we scroll over the number of users, it shows who's online. So you can see me, Matt, Mavin, and Katie are on the map. And as I scroll through and zoom in, Katie will be following me through everything. So in this example, we can kind of imagine that we are working for Boulder County or Boulder County Open Space as an assessor for water quality. And we're gonna let our coworker know that we're going to check out these different streams today. So what we're going to do is showcase a little bit of what screen share is all about. So I'm going to zoom into this one area near Ward, and I'm going to mark an area using a markup polygon that we want to check out for the day. So I can create a polygon around all of the area that we need to work on for the day. And if you double click at the end, then your polygon is complete, and you can go into styles and go ahead and change the color of that polygon in order to basically represent what needs to be done in the area. So I'm going to make that like a yellow shade so that she knows where it is. It's highlighted, it's easy to see on the map, and then I can go ahead and add a text so that we know what's going on in that area. Maybe throw the date in there. And maybe make that text a little bit bigger. And now we can see, if we're zoomed out on this map, it's really easy to see where that survey area is. You can zoom right in there and check out those areas. In addition, if you want to look at the attributes or show your coworker the attributes, you can click on those features directly, and the attribute table will pop up for that feature, and whoever's on the screen share with you will also see this. So say you wanted to check out the water source or show your coworker what water source that is, you can scroll down and see that this is Left Hand Creek. In addition, say you wanted to add some new features, so you found out that there was an additional tributary to a stream, you could go in and add a markup line. So say you saw that the stream actually ran up and along here. You could go ahead and do that. And in order to stylize that and make it so it's noticeable, you can go into your styles for line. Maybe you want to make it an off shade of red or like pink so that it stands out as a new stream that you discovered so that it can be assessed, and make it nice and thick. And then maybe let your coworker know that you discovered a new tributary. In addition, if you need to move your markups or adjust them, you can move them with our markup moving feature. And also available in screen share, if you need to return to your original extent, you can click zoom to original extent. You can zoom to your location, which just happens to be in Boulder for me. You can also close the chat button and still remain in screen share, so if you want to have your entire screen showing, that's pretty helpful. You can also go ahead and change the base layers. So say we want to kind of double check where these streams are, we can actually go in and change the base layer to whatever available satellite imagery we have, which we actually have digital globe 50 centimeter satellite data. So I can switch that to satellite and then go ahead and zoom back in and double check my streams and that type of thing. And recently we have added the ability to measure distance in Screen Share, which is really helpful. So if we wanted to measure out an area along the stream that we were going to walk along, we could do that ahead of time. So that's really helpful when you're collaborating with people. So I can measure the distance of that line. And then Katie would be able to see that distance on Screen Share, and we would know exactly how long we're going to walk for the day. That's about it, guys. Thanks so much for listening.